Dear colleagues, I introduce the paper Innovative Mining Technologies with Complex Geomechanical Characteristics with authors Professor Dimitar Anastasov and Assistant Professor Zdravets Eftimov. The development of the technologies for mineral processing leads to significant improvement of technological and economic indicators of the overall production. It is possible to process low-grade ores, develop deposits with more complex geomechanical characteristics, and achieve a possible economic result. Thus, an increase in the amount of reserve is achieved both in existing mine and newly created ones. Conditions are also be created for the development of new mineral deposits considered to be not very promising. Condition for the applicability of innovative or mining technology in deposits with complex geomechanical characteristics. The objective of developing innovative mining technologies for deposits with mining, technical and geomechanical characteristics is to find out a new solution for optimizing yield results. Raise bore technology. The purpose of developing a raise bore technology is to provide a productive mining technology applied in complex morphological and geomechanical conditions. The raise bore technology consists of extracting vertical layers, rises, from the ore body in a specific order with the mined out spaces being filled. Thus, the loss and improvement indicators of the rough minerals extracted without pillar recovery are reduced. On the other hand, the technology is designed in such a way so that during the whole stage of operation, the ore extraction is carried out without the presence of people in the mining areas. Raise bore technology makes it possible to mine ore body with complex morphology and well-defined boundaries. The technology offers several options for mining out. A. Using stationary mechanization, and B. Using mobile mechanization. Optimization of the losses and contamination with using the raise bore technology. In order to ensure maximum recovery of the reserves using the raise bore technology, different cases are considered for including the cutting head ore body with thickness to 1.5 to 5 meters. The area ratios in the variant shown in figure S2, S1 for the 5 cases show a mineral loss of 22%. The recovery ratio in this case is 0.78. In order to reduce the losses, the figure shows variance with in increased area in the cutting head relative to the ore body. Raise bore technology using VCR method. The method for mining and the mineral reserves combines the drilling and blasting works VCR method with raise bore technology. The raise bore technology using the VCR method emphasizes again on security signs during both production stage in processes are carried out without the presence of workers in the mining areas. Continuous system for the ore shrinkage and use of Alimak of core CoAV25 monorail. This is a classic variant of ore continuous system for ore shrinkage, but the specifics is that it has been redesigned for the purpose of applying a productive technique, elimination for manual labor, removal of people from the mining areas, and application in rock with close range indicators. Another important point that should be noted in this technology is its application in the development of deposits with wet ores and host rocks. Conclusion: the aim of presented innovative production technologies is to provide sufficient labor safety, increased productivity, reduced loss ratio, and improvement during the mining process. The advantage implementing and using them in the particular mining company significantly improve the process. By developing innovative technologies for mining, in particular VCR raisebore technology, we created the opportunity for safe and secure development of deposits with complex condition and characteristic previously considered to the economical not available. Geomechanical models should also be developed in order to identify open surface that can naturally be supported. The specific parameters in the selected extraction technology such as height of level, presence of sublevel, dimensions of blasted layers, etc., could be determined. Thank you for your attention.